Hey guys, it's Franz. I hope you are keeping well. In this video, we're going to be looking at pitching our local SEO services to a potential business. You probably have found that they don't always see the advantages um, of local SEO. And in this video, I want to show you a technique that you can use to try and convince them. So what we are basically going to do is we're going to um, work off the authority of Google, and but what I mean by that is that we are going to use Google data because obviously everybody knows who Google is. They will know who Google is. They use Google every day, and if they use Google every day, it means they trust Google, and that's why we're using Google data. Okay, so to start off with, I've just chosen a random business. We're going to look at carpet cleaning. So I've just chosen a random business here in San Francisco, California. You'll see there's our little map, and the business that I've chosen is SP's Carpet Care. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is um, we're going to need to show this business that there is opportunities and that there's search volume um, for the keywords for their business in their specific area. The best way I think that you can do this is to use Google Keyword Planner under Google Ads. If you don't have a Google Ads account, just set one up. You don't have to run ads to get access to Google Keyword Planner. Um, and then you'll find it there under Tools, Keyword Planner. And then once you in Keyword Planner, what you're going to do is you are just going to choose your area. So I've chosen San Francisco. Let's zoom in over here. One more. So you can see this is San Francisco. Okay. So and it tells us we'll reach about 11 million people if we for this area over here that's now selected. And then I've used the keyword carpet cleaning because we're looking at the carpet cleaning business. And then it will give us our keywords here at the bottom, our related keywords, other keywords that people are bidding on, that's bidding on carpet cleaning. It gives us our average monthly search volume. And then you can see what are people paying to be on top of the page in the low range and high range. So it's anything between $2.50 and $15. Okay, and then here's all the other keywords um, that you can show the business that people are using, and if any of them are applicable to them, that's fantastic. Okay, so now what we've done is we've shown them. Okay, there's keyword volume. Um, and we use Google Ads and Google Keyword Planner to do that. What we need to show them now is we need to show them a grid of the area, and we need to explain to them, listen, the more nodes you can dominate in this grid, um, the higher your share of this keyword volume is going to be every month. Okay, so we're going to go to My Happy Business. It's a Google Maps rank checker. And basically, what it does is it creates a geogrid around a specific address or GPS coordinates. And then you can then send that data to Google search, and you can get the rankings for that keyword for that specific node. So let me explain to you how it works. So we don't have an address because this is a service-based business, but we do have the GPS coordinates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, copy that. Then I'm going to go to My Happy Business. I'm going to select use GPS coordinates here. You'll see it change from to latitude and longitude. I'm going to paste that over there. Our keyword is going to be carpet cleaning. I'll just type it. And then our country, of course, is now United States of America. Let's do a nice big grid, 19 by 19, and let's do our search and see what's the results that we've gotten. Okay, so now when you make this video explaining and showing all this stuff to this business, because obviously when you've done with your video, you can send it through them as a message. Let's say maybe using Facebook Messenger, if you go to their Facebook page or website and look for the Facebook page, you're going to send it to them. You'll explain to them now that, okay, so here's our grid, and we've used the keyword carpet cleaning. And these are all different positions on our grid that people can perform that specific search from. This red dot in the middle is for these coordinates. So if I click on that, that should probably be on the first page because it's around the thingy. Okay, they're not. I think that's just because there's four other carpet cleaning businesses close to each other. That might be the reason why. But then you can show them, okay, if somebody clicks on this little dot, okay, it opens the Google's results page. If that search is done from this postcode, and here's the keyword, and here's the results. So you need to explain to them if they want to have a percentage share of the keyword volume that we've got in here, they need to um, make sure that their SEO and their Google My Business and websites optimized so that they rank in the street pack. And if they're not, you can obviously go and show them where they are ranking. So that's an ad. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're ranking number 4 here. Okay. So they are ranking, but they'll need to do a little bit of SEO, and how you pitch that is up to you. To try and get them in position 1, 2, or 3. And then you're going to just rinse and repeat. You're going to do a little bit of use some of these other nodes. I'm just going to drag this map a little bit to the left. I just want it out, not in the ocean. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And then you're going to do different nodes. You don't have to do all of them. You're going to just pitch a few of them. So you can maybe say, okay, let's go and see if somebody looks for carpet cleaning from this node over here at Russian Hill. What's happening? Okay, so show them that the search is performed from a different area. The other one was non-4. Let's just go back and see. 94110, and again, this one is for 94109. Okay, so it's obviously a different postcode. And here's the results. Okay, and then show them again if they're ranking. If they're ranking and they may be in position 7 or 8, obviously they'll need to do some SEO to improve their rankings to move in the top 3 positions. And then you're just going to go about and rinse and repeat. You're going to do a few other nodes. You might maybe decide to do a note here at the bottom. Again, carpet cleaning. Make sure you mention that it's done from a different location. Oh, my computer's hanging a bit. I need to actually restart it. So this one is done from Crocodile City. Okay, so it's a different location. Here's the results. Obviously, they're not in here. Show them where they're ranking. But I'm sure you guys get the idea. So what I like about this tool is that you're using, like I've said, Google data. You're using Google AdWords. So these are ads and stuff that people are paying on a monthly basis for this specific area. You can see exactly what's going on. Um, and you can see on the Google search results page where that search was performed from and who's ranking for that keyword in that area. And then you can make a little video explaining that. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. You must have a lovely day. Cheerio.